What should I do now that I just bought my home? First, I would change your locks and your toilet seats for safety and sanitation. Now it sounds funny, but both of them are very affordable ways to upgrade your home right off the bat. You don't know how many keys are floating around, especially if the home is fairly old, it's been a rental, and many different tenants through there. Changing your locks gives you an immediate peace of mind, and same with toilet seats. You don't know how old those are as well. Update your address. I know you think you did it and you went onto USPS and you changed the address there, but guess what? You missed a lot of subscriptions. I've also did it as well. So update your address multiple times throughout the process. Create a home maintenance plan. I've made an easy, handy list for you of what you should do monthly, quarterly, and even annually to keep your house up in tip-top shape. But every home is unique and yours will need specific things. So keep a journal, write things down as you're changing things out, and make sure you're dating, say, your air filters or your smoke detectors so that you know when it's time to actually replace them. Document your home's history. I know it seems kind of trivial in today's day of cell phones and videos and all that stuff, but I mean, I'm the #1 person to blame when I forget to take photos, but documenting the process of moving in, upgrading the home, and changing things out. This is also really good for, say, an unfortunate event of fire or flood or some sort of pipe rupturing so that you can prove to the homeowner's insurance policy of all the upgrades that you did to the home or the documents of the stuff that has been lost. Here's a fun one. Creating a homeowner's manual. Now I tell this to people who, say they purchased a condo in a really good area and their plan is to never sell that place. Well, creating a homeowner's manual will actually help your future tenants live in the home and keep the maintenance going on your property so that there's less wear and tear on your future rental property. Additionally, with that homeowner's manual, keep track of where all your sensitive documents are, say your passports, your social security number, your estate plan, where you keep it and what's all in there so that you have a record of not just the items themselves, but where you put them. Explore your neighborhood, go for walks. I mean, I've been living in my house for over 6 months now, and I just discovered a park that's a 5-minute walk away that's super private and secluded. I'm excited to spend more time there. While you're exploring your neighborhood, talk to your neighbors and ask them what their hidden gems are of the neighborhood and what they like to do in their free time. A great way to really get into your community is join a local group or a co-op. I like gardening, so I'd be interested in joining a gardening group or a co-op where we could share our vegetables or support a community-supported agriculture. Those CSA boxes you get from your farmer's market. It can be a great way to connect with your neighborhood and your local community and feel involved. My last tip today is plant a tree. It symbolizes planting roots into your community. And like myself, I planted 2 avocado trees, so I'm excited to get avocados all year round. And then it's a timestamp of, if you planted a little baby tree, 5 years, 10 years, 25 years down the road, how tall that tree is just, a marker of how long you've been in this home. It increases your curb appeal and creates shade in your yard and increases the value of your overall home. Those are my 10 tips of what you should do when you first move into your home here in San Diego.